So this was an interesting announcement by Google after 4+ years of, uh, I think, making a lot of efforts, lot of blood, sweat, and tears, effectively that they sort of went through in terms of trying to usher in a first-party cookie world for Chrome browsers. They finally sort of uh, went back on their entire decision and said that they'll continue with third party. It's an interesting announcement, which really has far reaching implications. And also, I think there are multiple interpretations as to how exactly we really look into this. I think there has been a very clear shift in the balance of power, right? I mean, 4 years back when they sort of started off on this entire journey, or probably sort of they started off earlier as well. I mean, there was no chat GPT, there was no generative AI essentially, which was publicly available, right? There was, I mean, Amazon Marketplace still had a much lesser cloud compared to how much it really sort of has today and all this stuff. So I think in terms of the overall balance of power is slowly shifting away from Google as well. But net, I think all of this decision yesterday that happened with Google Chrome browser deciding not to, I think that the cookie deprecation not happening now, I think it really changes quite a few things in the industry, which will really have far-reaching implications for anyone who is connected in this particular landscape.